Record. Yeah. Yeah. Tell me.
Okay. So good morning, sir. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity. I belong to Palanpur, Banaskantha, Gujarat. I have completed my 10th with 89% and 12th with 79%. Then I have cleared my IIT JEE exam, JEE mains, and I have took admission in civil engineering branch in LD College of Engineering, which is Gujarat's #1 government college. There I have completed my BTech with 79%, and I have cleared my GATE exam in my first attempt. And I have taken admission in Sardar Vallabhbhai National Institute of Technology in the specialization of geotechnical engineering. During my school life as well as my college life, I was associated with National Service Scheme, which is stands NSS, and I have served for our college as well as for some patriotism works. And I have also been served as class representative for 4 years, as well as I have conducted various events, and I have also right now serving as mess secretary and the hostel secretary in my SVNIT hostel.
Good. Very good. Very good. Very good. NIT means it is in Surat.
Yes, sir. NIT Surat.
Oh, great, great, great. Excellent. That's good. Now, do you have project work now, or you had project work in the during graduation? Which project
Sir,
work?
actually, I have done various kinds of projects and internship. During my BTech, I have done one project, Vishwakarma Yojana, a step towards urbanization, which is a Gujarat state project, and we have submitted our report to the collector of Banaskantha. Our report, and we were selected. Our report was appreciated, and right now it is in implementation of the Gram Panchayat of one village named Patosar.
What is a smart city?
Smart city. So the smart city is a city which provides a sustainable development, which will be also betterment for the future as well as the present, with seeing the growth in present also.
Which is the #1 smart city in India?
Sir, #1 smart city is
इसमें दिया है भोपाल. पता नहीं क्यों इसमें दिया है भोपाल. The smart town Bhopal was given the top spot in the most recent assessment for 2022 by the Union Ministry of Housing and Concrete Affairs. It is the nation of Madhya Pradesh capital, and it is home to around 2.5 million people. How many smart cities are there in India?
Around 8 to 9 smart cities are there in India.
100 cities. Smart cities, 100 cities. So being a civil engineering student, you must be familiar with these questions. Search in Google, smart cities in India, then civil projects in India, Gati Shakti scheme. I know you would not have prepared from that angle. You have to prepare from those angles. Gati Shakti Yojana. Then the role of NHAI, something like that. Regarding your field, prepare kar dijiye.
Yes.
Okay. Then next obvious question, I think there will be a question on recent bridge collapse. Tell me a few points about that.
So, sir, actually, the bridge collapse was occurred at Morbi district of Gujarat along a river named as Bachu. So, the bridge was collapsed because of the bridge was built just a few months back. Still, it was collapsed, and around more than 60 people were died, and around more than 150 people are injured by that. And our Prime Minister is also visiting that place soon.
2-3 answers are wrong. Number 1, 135 people died. More than 135 people died. Then Prime Minister visited yesterday itself. He is not going to visit. He visited yesterday, or I think he visited on. Today is what date in India? 2nd.
2 November. 2nd November.
I think he visited on 1st. Today only he is visiting. 2nd he is visiting, or I read some news he has already visited. That's okay, fine. And other points you told were all correct, Machu. And one more point was mistake. This bridge was not constructed now. This was bridge constructed during British period, 1869 or so. And it was under renovation and construction, and it was given to a company, and this company has was given sole right to repair it, and they released it. It was kept under lock and key for 2 months, and it seems it was opened recently. That is the only thing. थोड़ा इसका बारे में पूरा सीख लीजिए, ठीक है? Of course, I appreciate your the joy with which you answered that. What is Gift Tech City?
So, sir, I don't know very much about it, but Gift Tech City is gonna built in Gandhinagar, Gujarat, which will be a business hub kind of the city where various business companies will be there.
Good. So, because I am 80%, they may not ask more questions like this relating to civil engineering. However, in some interviews, they have asked like that. That is why I am cautioning you to get to know and prepare like that. Take care?
Yes, sir, definitely.
Very good. Can you take up sales for our bank products?
Sorry, sir, I didn't get.
Can you take up sales? Sales.
Yes, sir. Yeah, definitely.
Yes, sir. How will you sell this water bottle?
Okay.
This water bottle company. So how will you sell this water bottle?
Okay, sir. So good morning, sir. So right now, from where you are drinking the water?
See, okay, very fine. But normally, salesmen, they will not start questioning the buyers. They will supply information to the buyers, then satisfy them, then they will ask questions. If you start asking me right from the beginning, then I will say, why are you bothered about it? There can be some old man like me also who can ask a cross question to you. Nothing wrong in this. This is a strategy some people adopt. But the best strategy will be to highlight about your product and try to bring the plus points and then tell why you want me to buy that one. Something like that. So, okay, I will leave this question. Now I will come to, have you gone through Federal Bank products? I will come a different question for you. Have you gone through Federal Bank products? Which product is there? You know about it in detail.
Sir, recently they have started one new product, that Bank to the Home, in which they will provide the banking services to the home to the customer, which is very good kind of initiative taken by the Federal Bank.
Yeah, that's right. Now, okay. Now, how, supposing I ask you, do you know what is a home loan?
Yes, sir. Home loan is basically provide.
One minute. Hello. Yeah. 1 minute. Hello. Hello. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
What was the question I asked? Sorry.
Home loan.
Home loan. What is home loan?
So, sir, home loan is a product which is provided by the bank to the customer to purchase a home, and at a certain lower rate than other commodities.
Good. So, supposing you want to market home loans, what are the strategies you will adopt? How will you proceed? What sources you will use for selling it?
So, sir, first of all, we will try to see that what happening actually in the market, like how many kinds of the home loans are already available in the markets, their pros and cons. Then after that, what majority of the people are preferring and why, and what are their failures and success. From there, we will design our policy, which will be more attractive towards the customer and from the satisfaction.
From which source can you get more home loan customers?
I think we can get that from source of like our bank holders. Account holders.
No, the best through from account holders to some extent, but the main source will be to find out from the contractors or construction agents who are building projects. People will be approaching them for buying the houses. That is one. Similarly, when you want to market car loans, auto loans, you have to contact the automobile dealers. ऐसा भी सोच के बात करना है, समझ गया?
Yes, sir.
Very good. That's okay. No problem. So that question you will manage somehow. Now let me come to you. So which newspaper are you reading?
Sir, I am reading one Gujarati newspaper named as Gujarat Samachar.
Achha. What is the news you have read yesterday and day before yesterday or today?
So right now the main focus is on Morbi incident and some what news about RBI's meeting, which will be held on 3 November.
Very good. It seems for this candidate, they have asked questions related to his structural engineering course. Here was a candidate from structural engineering background. They have asked questions relating to that also. For example, what is your degree?
Geotechnical, soil mechanics and foundation engineering.
They will certainly ask questions relating to this. What is soil mechanics? Then what is the strategies adopted? And then what is the use of this? Which ministry in the central government is looking after this? Who is the minister in charge of this in Kerala? And in what way banks can help this line? I don't know. I have no answer for these questions, but then you must be able to prepare on these lines also. Samajh gaya?
Yes,
yeah, for this candidate, they have asked like this: structural engineering, then today's headlines, then what do you know about Federal Bank? You have to tell about Federal Bank other than the history. Tell me 3-4 points you must tell, and all these must be correct ones.
Okay, so sir, currently the CEO and MD of the Federal Bank is Syam Srinivasan sir, and recently he have commented on their growth of the Federal Bank, like the recent growth in the recent financial year, bank has collected 704 crores of the profit. So that shows that 53% of their growth, which is very much attractive. And the another thing that they are expanding their branch.
53% year on year.
YOY, yes, sir.
Okay, continue.
As well as they have published their ROE as well as ROA, which are also somewhat some base points up than the previous one. Then he has also given some new schemes as well. And they have also said about their various branches. And they have also shown that they are progressing of around 20 lakhs per employee profit in their newsletter.
That's okay. Now you can add about the good place to work. There is in the awards, there is a thing, and certain other awards they have received. You can also mention about corporate social responsibility they have achieved. So आप ये सबको बारे में prepare करना है. Then if you can remember the total deposits, total advances as on 30th September, you should tell about that. That's all. If you tell that, and if you can remember 1 crore 27 lakh customers and 1,000, what is that? 1,336 branches. 1,335 branches, 1,336 banking outlets, then some ATMs and all that. Thoda bolna hai. Good. You manage this question also very well. Thank you. Then can you will you be prepared to relocate anywhere in India?
Yes, sir. It will be opportunity for me to relocate new places as they will provide some new opportunity as well as improvement in myself also.
But is this answer, you said opportunity 2 times. Samajh gaya? While answering this one sentence question, you were using opportunity. Such repetition of words should be avoided within one question. So to an extent possible. Very good. Otherwise, nice. What is your father, you said?
Sir, my father is currently working as a LIC agent, and my mother is my father is LIC agent, so he's in marketing also.
Then बहुत questions आएगा. What is Vayu Vandana scheme? LIC Vaya Vandana scheme. पिताजी से पूछ लीजिए. That is a scheme for old people, you know, some 7.4% interest or 7.6% interest, like that. Because these are some of the measures taken by the government for financial inclusion in order to bring more benefit to employees and all. And you must know about PMJJBY, PMSBY, Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. Then you must know about LIC's present position, business position. You must also know about LIC's IPO and its experience. It has been a failure, of course, doesn't matter. They have sold all the shares, but shares are not faring well. What is the share price of Federal Bank?
Sir, right now it is 134.8 rupees.
Okay, you're right. It is 132. Today it has come down. Doesn't matter. Good. Very nice. Who is the chairman of Bombay Stock Exchange?
Sir, I don't know. Sorry.
Mr. S.S. Mundra. You just check it up. Mundra.
Yes,
Similarly, sir. National Stock Exchange का chairman कौन है? वो भी देख लीजिए. Then yes, NABARD में भी अभी change हुआ है chairman. वो भी देख लीजिए. Then गुजरात का finance minister कौन है?
Sir, Mr. Kanubai Karsanbhai Patel.
Good. Next point is when is the election in Gujarat? Date announced?
Sorry, no, sir. Date not announced, but tentative dates are of Jan 2023.
Good. Best wishes. Any questions?
Sir, I would like to have my feedback.
Feedback is good only, but somewhere it depends on your luck. They should not ask a question with which you are not familiar. With me, you answered well. 9 out of 10. With me, you have answered well, but sometimes some questions can be difficult ones. Like the sales question I gave initially, I mean, that is the thing. So, thoda dekh lijiye 1 or 2 videos where sales has been discussed. आपको थोड़ा better होगा. Or go through Google how to market banking products.
Yes, sir.
ऐसा prepare कर दीजिए. Marketing of banking products prepare कर दीजिए. ठीक है?
Good one job. Doubt is there.
Yeah.
Sir, thank you, sir. Sir, if they are asking me that what are your weakness, so can I say that I am unable to answer no to someone if someone comes to me for help?
No. You can tell that. You can tell that. They can tell that as a reason. But further details about this, it is given in Bankers ADDA book given to you. 10 pages yes, book. Page number 3 or 4 it has given. Please go through that.
Yes, sir.
Good. Best wishes. Mamata, you are appearing for which interview? I think RRB.
RRB.
Okay. No issues. Now tell me, Mithul, any other question?
Sir, can I leave?
Yeah, you can go. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Best wishes. You are done well. Thank you. Yeah. Mamata, I will close this video now.
Okay, sir.
I'll come around, what is your time in India? 8 o'clock. I will come.
8 o'clock. Okay.
Thank you.